Hey guys, welcome to another one of our videos. And in this video, we're going to be talking about another marketing strategy that honestly you guys should be doing by now. And if you're not doing it right now, then you really have to question yourself and keep on watching more of our videos because these are just the basics of marketing. So what we're going to be talking about is pretty much either the car vinyl wrap or just vinyl cutters, right? Or vinyl letterings. So, have you seen those cars that are fully wrapped with vinyl, and it's like pretty much the whole car was made entirely into a driving sign, right? Where they have nice colors, nice designs, just really cool, vinyl wrap. They wrap the whole car, so all of a sudden the car just looks like a walking or running billboard. That's something that you guys really need to make a decision on doing it. Now, just to let you guys know, it's pretty cheap to do one of these things, right? It'll probably cost you somewhere around $700 to do a whole company car. Now, let's say, for example, you say, well, Michael, that's $700, that costs too much. But think about it this moment, guys. That $700 that you cost is a company expense, and you can actually go ahead and have that deducted during taxes, right? It's a business expense. So it's not like you're going to be using, that whole thing is just a waste. It's pretty much everywhere you drive, you have your sign going everywhere. And so typically for our companies, we do that for all of our company vehicles that we give to our marketers, that we give to our full-time, workers for us. They do get those. Employees, for example, of ours have an option of an extra monthly bonus if they allow us to wrap their cars as well. So we tell a lot of employees, if you want us, we can actually go ahead and give you an extra $200 bonus each month. That's us paying them for having their car wrapped. So in turn, technically, they're getting like a free car if they have, for a car payment. We wrap the car, take care of the wrapping, and now the car is wrapped. Now, the employees are told, just to let you know, the contract here is once we wrap this, you are going to get paid the monthly fee. But if you decide to leave us, you have to keep this car wrapped for a whole entire year. That's the rule right there. Or we tell them, you guys, as long as you have that for a whole year, then you can cancel it from there. That's the main thing right there, is allowing this to happen, because these are walking marketing billboards, right? Why pay for a large billboard? Like, I don't believe in paying for those billboards in the side of the freeways, because nowadays most people are not even looking up, and when they're even in their car, they might even be in their phone, right? So at least the running billboards are a lot better because it'll catch somebody's attention. Also, your workers who are using these wrapped vinyl cars are going to highly senior populated areas that might get the attention of the right people. Another thing is start talking about is you may not even need to get a full vinyl cover. You can get what they call door magnets. Now, I wouldn't suggest you get one of those cheap small door magnets. I'm talking about making sure at least it's a minimum of 24 by 18, right? 24 inches by 18 inches. That should be the minimum standard of those magnets. And you just let your employees know that when they're working, they have to have those on. It's a requirement for your company. It's like their uniform. When they're working for you, right, they need to have those magnets on. And it's just marketing again for you guys as well. There's no different as us requiring our employees to actually wear a uniform when they're seeing patients. These are just basic requirements that you should have, because you should be thinking about anything you need to do in order to be able to take care of your marketing strategies. So that's those vinyl stuff, right? Now, just to let you guys know, there's these companies like, for example, Cricut or Silhouette Cameos, where you can actually purchase your own small vinyl cutters, and you can actually purchase those at a Michael's or like a Hobby Lobby. A lot of those hobby stores, even Walmart sells them depending on the Walmart. And what it is, you can actually cut your own vinyl stickers to make your own designs. And we have vinyl sticker cutters at our office. And the reason for that is we actually use it to make personal shirts. Sometimes we use it to make personal mugs. It makes it a lot cheaper for us. So there's just so many things that you can do with a vinyl cutter that is going to be so helpful when it comes to marketing and your marketing team. But that's just a way to kind of cut costs a little bit. But if you don't really want to do those things, or you don't have like one of those arts and crafts side in you, then just purchase them ready made. Go have a company that does these type of services and just have them do it. But like for me, I enjoy making designs, right? So like for example, this shirt right here, I made it myself with my vinyl cutter. This is actually a heat transfer vinyl. Cut it myself, put it in there, and it's fun to make, right? So what you just need to do is it's just about being creative. It's just like, how can I take some creativity and add that to my business? But going back in the beginning of things, definitely getting your car wrapped is probably one of the most ideal business strategies and marketing strategies for yourself. You have to create a brand. Just imagine this, right? You have 30 workers working for you and their whole car is wrapped. And they're driving around right now advertising for your company. Even at nighttime, even during the daytime, weekends, holidays, their car being parked in the parking lot, their car being parked in their driveway. That's just continuous marketing strategies that you guys can actually enjoy. It's the right move, but the question is, are you guys actually going to do it? I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Michael once again, and thank you so much. Always understand that home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.